This is Biomaterials, Lecture 15, Video 5. Let's go over the solution to this problem. The correct answer is D. If a polymer is susceptible to swelling, you may not have control over its ability to resist water if it is inherently hydrophilic. Therefore, you may need to adopt strategies that can keep it intact when it is exposed to water. Increasing the degree of cross-linking can keep polymer chains together even when water molecules penetrate the spaces between the chains. Increasing molecular weight will increase the average size of the polymer chains and increase the entanglement of the chains, which makes it harder for water molecules to spread the chains apart. An increase in the degree of crystallinity in the polymer means that chains are packed closer together, which makes it harder for water to get in between the chains. Let's now talk about another way that polymers can degrade in the human body. Before we do, we need to do a quick review of condensation polymerization. If you'd like to review the Engineering 86 lecture on addition and condensation polymerization, a link to the relevant Engineering 86 lecture is provided in the description below. In a nutshell, condensation polymerization is the formation of polymers by stepwise intermolecular chemical reactions. Unlike addition polymerization, more than one monomer species may be involved in condensation polymerization. A key difference between addition and condensation polymerization is the formation of low molecular weight byproducts like water. The formation of byproducts occurs every time a repeat unit is created. When a polymer formed by a condensation reaction is exposed to water, then hydrolysis can occur. Hydrolysis is the opposite of the condensation polymerization reaction. Instead of a water molecule being formed when repeat units are joined, a water molecule can actually cleave the bonds between the repeat units and break the chain apart. Hydrolysis is the process that reduces a polymer to its monomer subunits. Water can dissociate into hydroxyl and a hydrogen atom. As shown on this slide, the hydroxyl group attaches itself to one monomer and the hydrogen atom attaches to the other monomer. The cutting of polyanhydride chains is shown in this image. Polyester is also susceptible to chain scission by hydrolysis, as shown here. The polymer polylactic acid can be cut by the hydrolysis reaction shown here. Again, note where the hydroxyl and hydrogen atom go in this reaction that breaks apart the chain. Therefore, polymers produced from condensation reactions can be degraded by hydrolysis, which is an anti-condensation reaction. Polymer hydrolysis is affected by the reactivity of groups in the polymer backbone, the extent of interchain bonding, and the amount of water available to the polymer. Let's apply what we've learned. What results from the hydrolysis reactions shown here? The polyanhydride hydrolysis reaction is shown as an example. Please sketch the results of the hydrolysis reactions shown here, and please upload your sketches to the Google form that can be accessed in the link below. You will be graded on completion, not correctness, in this assignment. This is an open book, open note assignment. You may take as much time as you need, but please complete the assignment before starting Lecture 15, Video 6. We trust you to follow the honor code. We will go over the solutions to this problem in Lecture 15, Video 6, which is also linked below.